Okay. Box within a box within a box. I guess that's good. The charger. Attachment piece. Okay, it's like a, almost like a broom almost. That's interesting. I've never seen this. It's not like the regular bristles. It's almost like a paint roller. Didn't realize you can't see everything. Okay. This. Oh, it's like a little charging dock, I believe. I have to keep looking because I'm not sure. Of course, the top part. The handle. Let's put this down right here. This is another attachment piece. Instruction manual, some extra screws for some reason. The manual. Oh, so you can switch out the roller. Oh, okay, for carpet, for hardwood. I get it. Okay, I don't know what this is. I'll have to look at the manual. I'm assuming this is the battery because it's heavier than all the rest. And yep, there it is, the battery. So that's gonna sit in here. Okay. So carefully packed. I believe this is the pet brush. No, this is just a smaller one, so you don't have to use this to reach. That's good because it's a lot lighter. And the extension pole, which I believe you don't have to use. Yep. All right. So very nice. Comes off very easily. Then if I want to use it like this, I can as well. But also like this, the smaller one. This is very nice.